Biodiesel process plant design and turnkey projects. Go Green Bioenergy completed plans project for biodiesel manufacturing systems by reducing cost and project timeline through turnkey projects and completely built unit CBU. Key engineering features. Innovative process plant designed to simplify the process and reduce unnecessary expense. A modernized modular fabrication design was used instead of a more costly stick-built design system. Project scope, complete project engineering and design efforts, equipment instrumentation specialty procurement. Modular pipe bridges, heating skids, tanks, 6 mixed tank modules, ancillary skids, pipe spools, process equipment and raw material pumping systems, managed installing contractors, controls programming efforts, startup validation efforts. Batch reactor batch mixing systems. Load cell batch mixing system GMP, and 3 a sanitary grade piping. Area classification studies completed for flammable and combustible product. Sanitary USP grade the water complete system and distribution. Heat transfer system featuring shell and tube, plate and frame, and jacketed tank exchangers. Process chiller system with numerous cooling points and large distribution area. Core challenges. Full process plant design and conversion. Project 2 months behind schedule before Go Green Bioenergy was invited to bid the project. 8 weeks allowed to complete packaging process relocation and installation and startup, limited product stock. Parallel path project schedule, existing packaging system removed and relocated from a different plant as new process system and packaging line equipment installed. Sequential installation requirements, project had to be installed in a customer-specified order. Multiple windows of on-site installation coordinated so packaging relocation project would not get behind schedule. Products require multiple raw materials and mixing temperatures. Many of these products were highly corrosive and difficult to handle. Times shipping, process modules 15 plus feet in height. Go Green Bioenergy Solution. Project Engineering. Go Green Bioenergy was invited to bid on the process system development of a biodiesel manufacturing facility. An additional engineering firm completed the original project, front-end engineering, but their fixed bid dramatically increased from the original estimate due to project inefficiencies. Go Green Bioenergy took over the project after it was 2 months behind schedule. Go Green Bioenergy won the competitive bid due to an innovative project engineered solution. This included a fast-track design basis, modular process plant approach that completed the project on time and within budget. Go Green Bioenergy engineers reworked the original design to eliminate unnecessary scope and outdated technologies and suggested the use of load cell technology in the batch mixing process. Modular fabrication allowed the client to build out its new process plant off-site into portable skids while it continued on with the field installation efforts, civil, site utilities, drastically reducing project timeline. Modular fabrication required less manpower, saved time without weather delays, and completed the project on the aggressive timeline. This was critical due to the highly union area and difficult winter working conditions. Process plant solution. Manufacturing process for biodiesel salient features. 90% reaction is complete in 1 hour. Allow mixture to settle after 1 hour. Drain all glycerin foamed. Run reaction for 3 more hours. Reaction is complete. Allow settling of glycerin and remove it. Dry wash. Impact. Saved the client legs together through its value-engineered approach. Eliminated several months of project build time through modular fabrication. Avoided short shipping and stayed under fixed bid price and original project budget. Guaranteed faster schedule by managing equipment purchasing and entire project fabrication. Reduced client risk by significantly reducing required labor and exposure hours in the field. Advantages to modular fabrication. Go Green Bioenergy used a value engineering approach to save the client time and money. Our modular fabrication approach to process plants has many advantages, the main points of which are highlighted below. Reduced cost, higher quality construction, faster time to market, improved safety, less resource requirements, flexibility. Find a solution that is right for your company. Contact Go Green Bioenergy or learn more about batch manufacturing systems or modular process systems.